What is the KN sound in English? KN is a consonant digraph, where two letters together make a single sound, but in most cases, the K is silent and only the N is pronounced. Common KN words: knee, knife, knock, no, not, knit. Example phrases and sentences: I hurt my knee while playing soccer. He used a knife to cut the cake. There was a loud knock on the door. He tied the rope in a tight knot. My grandmother loves to knit sweaters. Fun tip to remember: in almost all KN words in modern English, the K is silent, but in Old English, the K was actually pronounced. Got it? Now you know. Which KN word do you use the most? Let me know in the comments.